Hi guys, and welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. So this week we got a letter from a community member, and she writes, "Hi Miss Planet, I am so thankful I found your YouTube channel. My name is, I believe it's Kisa. I hope I'm saying that right. My name is Kisa, and I'm having a wedcation in Montego Bay, Jamaica. Wedcation, I love that. Wedcation. I cannot afford a florist, so I would like to create and travel with these arrangements. I'd like to stay within about $30-ish per centerpiece. I am having a romantic theme. My colors are lilac, orchid purple, white, and cobalt blue for a pop of excitement. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I love flowers. Mine will be fake, please. And can't imagine my dream wedding without some. Can you please help me design a centerpiece marrying my colors and theme? I really appreciate it so much. Blessings." Well, Kisa, not only did we create this beautiful inspiration picture, but we also made sure that it was travel friendly and within your $30-ish price range per centerpiece. I can't wait to show you how we created this romantic wedding centerpiece. So, without further ado, let's get to it. So one of the things you have to remember when doing a destination wedcation wedding is you have to travel with plastics. Most countries will not allow you to do any glass carry-on. I think that's pretty much all countries. So you have to do your centerpieces in some kind of non-breakable plastic. So in this case, we're using things that we found from the Dollar Tree that we transformed into beautiful stainless steel centerpieces. So first, using some spray paint and a little bit of hot glue, we're going to transform these individual pieces into our stainless steel candle globe holder. Before attaching a tea light holder, be sure to fill up the canister at least halfway just with some weighted pebbles. That way you won't have to worry about it tipping over if somebody bumps the table. Next, we're going to transform these plastic vases into beautiful stainless steel works of art. Create height by attaching two vases with a little touch of hot glue. Don't forget to add some pebbles to your vases to make sure that they stay nice and secure on your tables. Now we're going to go ahead and cut this foam cube in half and then trim it down so it will fit nice and snug into the opening of our vases. Now that our foam is nice and snug and in place, we are ready to add that touch of romance with some very simple flower arranging. One more tip to add that island flair is that we actually set the centerpiece on a pool of white sand, and we inserted some tea lights into the sand just for that extra bit of romantic flair. Now, you can use the sand that's right there in your destination because you know we're all about saving those pennies. Or you can purchase the sand from the Dollar Tree. Don't worry, the links are in the description below. Well, Kisa, I hope this met your dream. I hope it's going to add that very special, beautiful flair to your amazing wedding day. It was our pleasure to be a part of it, and we just thank you so much for allowing us to do this. If you like this video, guys, go ahead and like us. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And by all means, leave us your comments. They are so inspiring and they push us through when we're having those tough days. And yes, guys, we have tough days. So thank you for giving us those wonderful words of encouragement. Don't forget, the links, both US links as well as international links, are in the description right below this video. Just click on that little upside down triangle / arrow and you will have everything at your fingertips. Don't forget, we also have our links to Ebates because we're all about saving money even when we're spending money. And you can also find the link to our newsletter so you're always up to date with what's new with MissPlanIt. And don't forget, we can go over to or click on the project request link. If there is a project you would like to request, click on it. Follow the easy steps because we are here to serve you. We are so glad that you took this time to spend with us. We know you have many options out there in the world of YouTube, so we thank you for picking us. As always, never forget, when every penny counts, count on MissPlanIt. See you soon. Take care. God bless.